What's up mga parekoy? So for this video, pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa ambiguous case, law of sines. So sa ating previous video, na pag-usapan natin doon ang tungkol sa law of sines, case 1 and case 2, side-side angle and side angle-angle. So for this case, this would be an ambiguous case. So basically, abogado na tayo, namin natin ng mga kaso. So yes, what is ambiguous case? Ambiguous case, guys, is the case wherein yung binigay na information sa atin ng triangle can result into two solution. Dalawang triangle yung pwede nating ma-form sa nabigay na information. So, dapat, para matawag natin siyang ambiguous case, dapat yung nabigay lang na information is a side, another side, and an angle. And again, as I said a while ago, dapat any dito ay naka-ratio for this. If this is angle A, this should be, if this is angle A, this should, at least meron dito yung side A. If this is angle B, at least andito yung side B. If this is angle C, at least andito yung side C. So, I will draw an example for an ambiguous case para ma-visualize niyo kung paano magkakaroon ng dalawang solution or dalawang triangles. So, kunwari, maganda yung triangle ko. Kunwari, ito, 30 degrees. This is 10. This is 6. So, we are given with two sides, that 10 and 6, in an angle is 30. And also, naka-ratio kasi yung angle 30 ay meron siyang opposite na side. So, given yon. Now, para masabi mong ambiguous case siya, first of all, dapat ang opposite ng angle mo na side should be shorter than the adjacent, which is 10, than the other side. Okay? So, dapat shorter siya dito. Next, dapat acute angle din to. So, paano natin mabubuo yung another triangle kapag dalawang solution yan? Basically, guys, we can, since walang sinabi na angle C, walang information about angle C, also side C, walang information yan, ibig sabihin, pwede natin i-manipulate itong side na to. If we draw guys, and the altitude there, we can see that ito, kasi symmetric yan, meron siya sa kabila na isang side din. So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong nabuong dalawang triangles. This first triangle and the original triangle. To prove that more, kung mag-circumscribe tayo dyan ng circle, ibig sabihin, dito, that this would be the radius, guys. The radius diyan, iikot yan dito. That would be a circle. Kunwari, circle yan. So, ibig sabihin, yung side 6, same pa rin dito na side 6. So, kung i-rewrite natin, ito-draw natin yung dalawang triangle na nabuo, this is the first. That should be longer. This is the first. This is 10. Ito, 30 degrees pa rin yan. Ito, 6. Ganyan. And walang nagpalit sa given natin. This is still 30 degrees. Ito, 6 pa rin yan kasi ito nga, same yan dito, di ba? We just draw an altitude there and put another side here. And this is 10. Okay? So, basically, kung mapapansin nyo guys, all the given are the same. Wala tayong pinalitan, wala tayong violate. Pero, this given can generate two solutions. So, meron tayong dalawang solution sa given na ito. Okay, so let's try solving for that two solutions. Okay. Okay guys, so let's try solving this problem. So solving this problem, we draw first yung dalawang triangle na na-identify natin kanina. Since this is my given a while ago, meron tayong first triangle. This is, let's input the values. This is 30 degrees. This is 6. This is 10. And let's draw another triangle. Okay, so same values yan. This is 30 degrees, this is 10, this is 6. So, let's find the other three remaining parts of the triangle. So, to do that, we do sine law. Let's first solve in this triangle, the original triangle. So, that's sine A over sine A is equals to B over sine B. So, this is angle B, this is B. Okay? So, solving that, let's substitute values. That would be 6 over sine 30, which is equals to 10 over sine B. We are finding for the sine B. Let's cross multiply. 6 sine B is equals to 10 sine 30. So let's divide both by 6. Sine B would be equal to 10 sine 30 over 6. So to solve for the value of angle B, let's do the arcsine of this value. So that would be B is equals to the arcsine of 10 sine 30 degrees over 6. So doing that, the value of our B would be equal to 44. So approximately that's 56 degrees. Okay, so the value of my angle B here is 56 degrees. Okay, so we have this angle B now. So guys, there is another way to check if ang given natin is ambiguous case. Let's say for example, hindi ko in-evaluate to, no? Hindi ko in-evaluate yung ganitong problem. For example, para hindi na tayo mahirapan i-evaluate, i-memorize kung ano yung mga conditions like dapat acute to, dapat ito shorter, dapat ito longer, para hindi natin yan kailangang i-memorize. Let's do this testing method. So, paano ba natin i-test kung ambiguous case siya or hindi? Let's subtract the value of our angle B to 180. So, that would be equal to 180 minus 56. 180 minus 56, 180 minus 56 is equals to 124. That's 124 degrees. Dapat guys, itong 124, if we will add this to our initial angle, the given angle is 30. If we add that to our A, that should be lesser than 180. So let's add that. 124 plus 18 plus 30 is our initial angle. That's 154. And 154 is lesser than 180, which means, tama, we have an ambiguous case. So, bakit natin ginawa yung test na to? Okay, guys, here's the point with that. For example, this angle is, let's say that's 160 degrees. This is 160 degrees. So, i-add natin yan sa existing angle natin, which is 30. 160 plus 30 is 190 already. That did not satisfy our test value. Mali na yan. Kasi we know that the sum of the angles inside the triangle is 180. So, having that value, we know na mali yung sagot natin. That hindi siya ambiguous case, kundi one solution lang siya. Okay, guys? So, for now, since na-prove natin that that's lesser than 180, then the value of the angle in the another triangle is 124 degrees. This is 56. This is 124. How did we get 124? We just subtracted 180 to 56 to get 124. So now, we can see meron na tayong dalawang triangles with different angles na ito lang yung given. So, we can now solve for the remaining. Okay. So, first, this is side C. Angle C, this is side C. So, to solve for that, again, I will use the sine law. Sine A, joke lang, sine A is equals to A. That would be C over sine C. Pero take note, guys, wala tayong angle C or side C. Pero, we can solve for the value of the angle C using the concept that 180 yung total sum niyan. So, that would be angle C would be equal to 180 minus yung sum ng 30 plus 56. So, doing that, 180 minus 30 plus 56 is equals to 94. So, angle C is 94. So, we can proceed with this sine law. So, A is 6 over sine 30 is equals to C. Yun yung hinahanap natin. We know now that the angle C is 94 degrees. 94, sorry. So, let's transpose this sa kabila para mahanap natin yung angle C. So, that's C would be equal to 6 sine 94 degrees over sine 30. Solving that sa ating calculator into 12. So, the value of our side C is equals to 12. The value of our angle C there is this 94. So, let's do our traditional way of checking na dapat yung largest angle should have the opposite, which is the largest side. So, since the largest angle is, that's 94, opposite is 12, this is the largest between the three, ibig sabihin, we have the right answer. Malapit-lapit tayo sa tamang kasagutan. Okay, dito naman tayo. Let's find angle C and side C. So, to do that, again, let's use the concept na 180 yung sum ng lahat. Subtract natin yung sum ng existing 30 plus 124. That would be equal to 180 minus 30 plus 184 is 154. Tama ba? Yes, tama naman. So, 180 minus 124 is equals to 154, I should say, is equals to 26 degrees. So, the value of our angle C is 26 degrees. So, next thing to do is to solve now for the side C using the sine law. Again, A over sine A is equals to C over sine C. Evaluating that, A is 6 over sine 30. C natin, yan yung hinahanap. Sine C is sine 26 degrees. This is 26 degrees. Next thing to do, let's cross multiply. So, C would be equal to 6 sine 26 over sine 30. So, evaluating that, 6 times sine of 26 is equal to divided by sine 30 is equals to 5.26. So, C is equals to approximately 5. Let's do that. Pero again, as I said, pag quiz yan or exam, let's go the most accurate way. Get the most, the decimal places. So, that's 5. So, this is, the value of this is 5. The value of our angle C is 26 degrees. So, let's do the same checking. Again, as I said a while ago, largest angle, which is 124, opposite with that should have the largest side, which is tama. This is 10, this is 5, this is 6, this is the largest, this is the largest also. So, basically, ang sagot natin ay malapit-lapit sa tamang kasagutan. So, guys, that's it for the ambiguous case. I hope you have understood our lesson. Sa ating next video, I will show you the three possible solutions of an oblique triangle. First is kapag isa lang yung solution niyan. Next is kapag dalawa yung solution. This is the ambiguous case. Or either paano natin malalaman kapag yung given pala na information is hindi siya makakabuo ng triangle. Bitten like that. So that's it mga parekoy. If you have some questions, comment it down below and we'll try to answer that. Bye-bye mga parekoy.